Welcome to the first annual Ice Fish Jenga. Here we got a bucket full of water hanging from the hub of the polar bird, and we're going to be adding crappies and perch to it until it falls. Whoever it falls on has to eat 2 fathead minnows.
2 fathead minnows.
2 fathead minnows. So you get 3 points for a big crappie, 2 points for a little crappie, 1 point for a perch. Let's start this Ice Fish Jenga out with Lenny.
All right.
Ooh, a 3-pointer.
3-pointer.
Ice Fish Jenga. He's got it. All right. I'll answer that with another 3-pointer. Ooh, he's swimming. Ooh, baby girl.
I'll count that. That's for 3.
For 3. Ooh.
Still going.
Curry with the answer for 3.
All right. I'm going.
Ooh, he's going for the 2-pointer.
2-pointer. I'm gonna go inside the arc here.
Ooh, good decision. Can I get a free throw?
I'm gonna take a big lead on you now. Another 2-pointer.
Lenny up 1. Now Lenny's up
Still
3.
holding.
3-pointer, this for the tie. Going big. 3-pointer for the tie. Oh, I hear it. Dang it. I gotta eat the 2 fathead minnows.
I get to pick them too.
All right, they gotta be alive. Dang it, almost had the tie.
There's a dead one.
Yeah, a dead one. 1 fathead.
Minnow. Evan. The crappie. Fennegar.
2 fathead minnows.
What a good sport. You don't have to chew them.
Oh, down they go. Welcome to Ice Fish Jenga. That's pretty good. When do you think anyone shoots a video like that?